Belajar bahasa Inggris percakapan, jadi khusus percakapannya. Kapan-kapan ya narasi-narasi gampang. Itu yang penting percakapannya mahir dulu ya, mengetahui berbagai macam topik. Yang bertanya yaitu A. Do you think it's possible to be happy in this world and also in the afterlife? Apakah menurutmu mungkin bahagia di dunia dan di akhirat, maksudnya gitu ya? Absolutely, tentu aja. I think the key is to live a balanced life. Keseimbangan hidup maksudnya. Fulfilling your responsibilities in this world while staying mindful of your spiritual duties. Yang A. That's true, many people focus only on worldly success and forget about the afterlife. Maksudnya banyak orang hanya fokus dunia aja, tidak menghiraukan akhiratnya ya. But I believe true happiness comes from aligning both. Tapi yang dinamakan bahagia itu ya dunia dan akhirat ya. Exactly, tepat sekali. For example, using your success in this world to help others can bring both worldly satisfaction and eternal rewards. I agree, saya setuju ya, Anda bisa deh, pasti. And living with integrity is so important, being honest, kind, and fair. These qualities benefit you here and prepare you for the afterlife. Yang B menanggapi, true, I also think gratitude plays a big role. When you're grateful for what you have, you find faith in this life and show appreciation to the Creator. Yang A menanggapi juga, that's a good point. Itu poin yang baik. And staying connected to your faith through prayer and good deeds helps guide you toward true happiness. Anda artikan sendiri ya. Tinggal ya, maksudnya bukan tinggal, itu istilahnya berhubungan istiqomah ya dengan kepercayaan Anda melalui ibadah dan perbuatan amal-amal soleh ya, menolong Anda mengarahkan kepada bahagia sejati seperti itu. Yes, kata B, because faith gives us purpose and reminds us that life in this world is temporary. Ya, karena keyakinan, maksudnya iman, ya, memberikan kita arah dan tujuan yang mengingatkan kita bahwa hidup di dunia ini sementara. Ya, but the afterlife is eternal. Tapi akhirat adalah selama-lamanya, abadi maksudnya. Yang A menanggapi, so the secret is balance, ya. Pursuing success in this world while staying spiritually grounded for the next. Jadi rahasianya adalah seimbang dunia dan akhirat maksudnya. Mengejar kesuksesan di dunia ini selagi istiqomah secara agama ya. Ini betul-betul baik untuk kehidupan mendatang, for a better tomorrow. Absolutely. Tentu aja. When you live with purpose and gratitude, you can find happiness in both worlds. Nah itu. Ada lagi misalnya yang A. In your opinion, what does it really mean to be a successful person? Menurut pendapat Anda, apa yang dimaksud dengan orang yang sukses itu, seperti itu ya. P menanggapi, that's deep question. I think success isn't just about money. Jadi sukses itu enggak hanya masalah duit ya, or fame. It's about being happy and fulfilled in what you do. A menanggapi, I agree. A lot of people think success is about having a big house or a fancy car, but it's more than that. It's about living a life that aligns with your values. Exactly. B menanggapi, exactly. I also believe successful people are those who make a positive impact on others. Helping others grow is a big part of true success. A menanggapi juga, that's so true. And I think the lunch is important too. If you're rich but don't have time for family or health, can you really call the success? Can you really call that success? Kalau kamu kaya tapi hanya tidak memiliki waktu buat keluarga dan kesehatan, apakah itu bisa dinamakan sukses? Apakah itu benar-benar bisa dinamakan sukses? Gitu maksudnya ya. Not at all. Tidak. Ya. Tidak seperti itu maksudnya. Success should include personal well-being, strong relationships, and a sense of purpose. Do you think everyone defines success differently? Yeah. Divide naturally, tentu aja, ya. Jawab. For some, untuk beberapa orang, misalnya, it might mean climbing the career ladder, while for others, it could be as simple as living a peaceful life. B menanggapi, that's what makes it so interesting. But one thing all successful people have in common is they never stop learning and growing. A menanggapi juga, true. They're always looking for ways to improve themselves and their situation. Success is a journey, not just a destination. Ada yang bilang sukses itu ya jalan-jalan, perjalanan ya, bukan hanya tujuan aja ya. B menanggapi, absolutely. So being successful means being happy, fulfilled, balanced, and continuously growing while making a positive impact. Yang A menanggapi, I couldn't have said it's better myself. Ini tentang orang sukses ya, dunia dan akhirat seimbang ya, strict on it. Ini C sama D ya, saling tanya menjawab ya. Why do you think some people succeed while others fail? Kenapa menurut Anda beberapa orang sukses kok yang lainnya gagal seperti itu ya? D menjawab, I think it's a mix of many factors. Ini adalah campuran dari banyak faktor. Successful people usually have clear goals. Orang yang sukses itu biasanya mempunyai goal yang jelas ya. And work hard to achieve them. Dan bekerja keras untuk mencapainya. What do you think? Menurut Anda gimana? Saya menanggapi, I agree. But I also think mindset plays a huge role. Tapi menurut saya mindset ya, cara pola pikir memainkan peranan yang besar ya. Successful people stay positive even when things get tough. Ya. Get tough. Kalau get up itu bangun, kalau get tough walaupun mendapatkan hal-hal yang keras seperti itu ya. Orang yang sukses itu selalu tetap positif ya. Bahkan ketika hal-hal yang sangat sulit seperti itu ya. Dia menanggapi, that's true. Oh betul. On the other hand, sebaliknya, people who fail often give up too quickly. Orang yang gagal itu sering putus asa terlalu cepat ya. Or don't learn from their mistakes. Atau tidak mempelajari dari kesalahan-kesalahannya. C menanggapi lagi, yes, learning from failure is so important. Belajar dari kegagalan itu sangat penting. I've noticed that successful people see failure as a lesson. Saya mencatat bahwa orang yang sukses itu melihat kegagalan sebagai pelajaran. While others see it as the end. Sementara yang lainnya melihatnya itu adalah akhir dari segala-galanya. Exactly. I also think discipline and time management are key. People who fail sometimes waste time on unimportant things. Saya menanggapi, that's a good point. That I think successful people take calculated risks, while those who fail might avoid risk completely or take reckless ones. Dia menanggapi juga, true. Another difference is consistency. Successful people stick to their routines and keep pushing. Ya. Terus terus berlanjut menekan untuk selalu rutin ya, melakukan konsistensi ya. While others lose focus of the time. Saya menanggapi, I couldn't agree more. Also, having a good support system helps. Successful people often surround themselves with positive and motivated individuals. Dia menanggapi, absolutely. So, to sum up, success comes from clear goals, hard work, the right mindset, discipline, learning from failure, taking risks, and having the right people around you. C. Menanggapi juga, and failure comes from giving up too soon, poor planning, fear of failure, and lack of focus or consistency. It's a good reminder for both of us. Itu ya. Ada lagi, ya sekitar itu ya, hampir-hampir mirip ya. Tapi itu merupakan pengembangan. Misalnya E sama M. Hi, have you ever thought about that? What it really takes to succeed in life? F. Yes, I think about it all the time. What's your take on it? E. Yang E ya. E itu bahasa Indonesia. Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya I gitu ya. I believe the K is persistent. Success doesn't come overnight. So you have to keep going no matter how hard it gets. Yang F menanggapinya, that's a good point, but don't you think passion is just as important? If you're not passionate about what you're doing, it's hard to stay motivated. Yang I, yang E. Absolutely. Passion gives you the energy to keep moving forward. But you also need to set realistic goals. If your goals are too vague or too big, you might get discouraged. True. Breaking big goals into smaller, achievable steps makes them feel more achievable. And I think managing time effectively is crucial too. Yang E. Oh, for sure. Time management is everything. Successful people know how to prioritize and make the most of their time. What about taking risks? Do you think that's important? Definitely. Menanggapi ya. Bahasa Indonesia ya. I kalau bahasa Inggrisnya. Calculated risks are necessary to grow. Playing it safe all the time can limit your opportunities. I agree. And one more thing, self-discipline without it, self-discipline, maksudnya kedisiplinan diri, without it, tanpa itu, even the best plans can fail. So true. Success really is a combination of persistence, passion, clear goals, time management, risk-taking, and discipline. Yang F, exactly, it's not easy, but it's worth it in the end. Seperti itu ya. Selanjutnya, masih ada lagi. Hi, hey, do you ever wonder how some people become so successful? Yeah, all the time. I think success depends a lot on mindset. What do you think? I agree. A positive mindset can make a huge difference. But also think setting clear goal is crucial. That's true. Without goal, you might just wander around without a purpose. Do you think hard work is enough? Not really. Hard work is important, but working smart is even better. You have to know how to prioritize your tasks. Right. And I think learning new skill is another key. The world is always changing. So we need to keep improving ourselves first. That's so true. What about networking? Do you think it's important? Definitely. The people you know can open doors to opportunities you might never find on your own. Agreed. And I believe staying motivated is important too. Do you have any tips for staying motivated? I try to remind myself why I start and celebrate small wins along the way. How about you? I like to visualize my future success. It keeps me excited about my goals. Jawabannya, that's great. So, mindset, goals, smart working, learning, networking, and motivation, that sound like a solid formula for success. Dijawab lagi, absolutely. Now we just have to apply it in real life. Percakapan akhir ya, antara A sama B. Ini. Hi, do you ever think about what it takes to be successful? Of course, I think about it a lot. What do you think is the most important factor? For me, it's consistency. You have to keep working on your goals every single day, even when it feels hard. That's true, but don't you think having a clear vision is just as important? Without a plan, it's hard to stay consistent. Good point. A clear vision helps you know where you're going. But what about discipline? It is easy to have a plan, but harder to stick to it. Absolutely. Discipline and focus are key. I also think surrounding yourself with the right people can make a big difference. You're right. A strong support system can motivate you and help you stay on track. Ini kayaknya sudah tadi ya, tapi agak sedikit berbeda. One more thing, learning from failure is important. Success isn't a straight path, so we need to see failure as a lesson, not the end. Ini yang tadi kayaknya. I couldn't agree more. So if we combine consistency, vision, discipline, the right people, and learning from failure, we're on the right track to success. Exactly. Let's start putting those into practice right now. Okay? Thank you so much. Success for you.